Let's see. I'm use the silver color this chain, and we'll go to use the oh, I find a new way to use it. Let's use this cute star shape. Then let's use this 0.2 millimeter wire. You can create the chains by yourself. Here I'm not put any other crystal beads, only the hematite beads by itself. So we are going to use this one for the spacer. Then the star. Then the spacer. Here. This one. And again. Of course, you not must be with the star. You can use the crystal beads or some big silver beads. Here. Last time I sell some lapis star and some other crystal star. I think you can use on this design also. Here. That's how I made my chain today with star. Yes. For those beads, this small one is $4 one string. The star let me see the price. Star is $3. Star $3. The small spacer is $4. $3. Here. Blue star send the picture tomorrow. I use my tool. Okay. Happy to have a look. Here. This one. And this one. This one. Then let's go into make it by the tour. Hi, Royston. Happy to see you. This. Last time, people claimed the crystal star. You can use the star to make it match with this idea. It will be a unicorn design. Only you have. Other people don't have, because you made it by yourself. Here. This. Yeah, today is the silver day, blue moon. Silver day. Here. So position here, then this one come here, then again. Oh, drop. Okay, here 掉了。Here. Do you sell the tool or just using it? I sell everything. FIA. Yeah. The plier, if you want it, the price is $9 for this plier. $9. You can claim in my live streaming. Yes. Yeah. $9 one piece. You can go to my TikTok page here. In my TikTok page to show you how to get it. Yeah, in my shop, we are not only sell in live streaming, we also sell in the shop, online shop. Here. This. So you can make a bracelet by yourself like this. Here. Here. Yeah. I think in my live streaming, you are not only get the plier, not only get the chain speeds, you also get the ideas about how to use them. I will share with you the tutorial how to use them. So when you got the material, you are not be worried about let the beads, let the material stay at home for sleep. You can you just type you claim in live streaming and type 9. Star is $3. Moon rose $3. Here. We are a shop that sell the chains, sell the beads, sell even the pliers. Here. Okay. Star is $3. Small spacer beads is $4. I think maybe my machine stop again. My machine is not good. It's always stop. Yeah. Oh, it's no tag. No tag. Wait for a moment. I'm going to put some more tags after I finish this bracelet. Okay, no tag. Yes, exactly 9. Yeah, $9. It just in my live streaming, people claim here, and when you want to get check out, just type 999. Then I will show your box. Okay, printing out. So prior, I'm going to pack it after I finish this bracelet here. Okay, then okay, done. Done. So the last link need to put bigger also, and we measure the length for this bracelet here. Okay, then we can hang with the jumping, or you can attach. Yeah, how much is chain? Chain, wait for a moment. This chain price similar near the beads we claim later, or it will be going to mix. Okay, so this one is done like this with the spacer with the cute star. You can make it for a bracelet by yourself. Yeah.